Another function of Big Blue Button is running a poll or starting a poll. So I can have a multiple choice question on the screen and then start a quick poll so that others can answer. So I've made sure I've included a multiple choice question in my presentation, which is this one. So we've got A, B, C, D as the answers, and I can ask the participants the question: if the perimeter of a square is 36 centimeters squared, what is the length of the square? And all I do then, while having that on the screen, is start a poll, and the options are A, B, C, or D. So I'll just click on that, and then as people answer, I can see how many have answered A, B, C, or D, and who has answered that. And if I want to publish poll results so that others can see as well, not the specific names though, then I can click on publish poll options, and the polls will be published, and the poll results will be published.